What's the meaning of bomb alert? Bomb alert. Bomb alert.
Bomb alert. Bomb alert. Bomb alert is a term used to describe a situation where there is a suspected threat of a bomb in a particular location. This could be due to a bomb threat received by the authorities, suspicious packages or objects found, or any other indicators that suggest an explosive device may be present. When a bomb alert is issued, the affected area is usually evacuated and cordoned off while bomb disposal experts are called in to investigate and neutralize any potential threats. The consequences of a bomb alert can range from inconvenience and disruption to public safety and even loss of life if a device is present and detonated.